Hi guys, welcome back to another Q&A. So in today's Q&A, I will be answering all of your questions on this pic I posted on Instagram. This is my Arts S7H and this is mine. Looks pretty cool, so I just posted it. And I'll be doing more Q&As of this every other milestone we hit. Now this milestone was for 5,000 subscribers. We have hit that, and so basically follow me on Instagram if you want to get featured. And if you have any question like for YouTube, any tech related, any ROM related, I will answer that. So let's just get to the first one. And this is basically my best friend.
Best graphic card under 10k or best customized PC under 30k. Now,
and side note, he was like the most intelligent kid in our class. He has like scored 90% in SSC. He's like very intelligent, and we don't meet each other very often because he has changed the city. He now lives in a bigger city for studies. Now I know your PC and you do have a like pretty mediocre PC, i3 and 4 gigs of RAM. You no need to upgrade that, but if you want to upgrade for gaming, I would suggest 10k graphics card like a GTX 1050 would be very great, a Zotac one, or pretty like enhance your budget to 12k and you can easily get a 1050 Ti, which would be very awesome because it's overclocked and also gets a 4 gigs of GDDR5 RAM, which is very good. It's probably more than me, but RAM is only countable if you have like more higher textures, otherwise it's no of use. But 1050 Ti would be very good. I will leave in the link in the description for a MSI and a Zotac one. You just pick one for yourself.
What phone your dad has?
No, dad has expired. I don't live with him. The day I was in my mom's stomach, she left him. Basically I know he was a bad guy and my mom left him, and this is right now the place I live with my mother's parents, like my grandfather. I live with my mother, grandmother, grandfather. This is all theirs, and I've never seen my dad. I never spoke to him, and he just expired because of the lung infection. He was very chain smoker and alcoholic. I've never met him, but I am happy here. My grandmother and grandfather take care of like real parents. They are my real parents, but they take good care of me, and I'm very happy here.
battery ROM for Euphoria. So
Basically I'm not checked these many ROM. My favorite one was Tesla, but right now I'm using CM14.1 and I am not using this device often, but still I've charged this device 100% like 2 days ago, and still it's around 86. I've used this device, but it's around 92, which is very good. I have not like checked, or I use this device but not that much. So CM14.1, the latest build, which is like a 20 November, which will be very good for battery.
What are the future plans about your channel?
So future plans, I'm trying to saturate the content like my reactions, ROM reviews. I'm like doing very less ROM reviews because that was the not reason for like starting a channel, but that was the things I had like that now where I started. I was in 9th grade when I started this channel, then was my 10th, and I was basically doing nothing throughout my 10th. I did my 10th and college in July, but I left the college because I didn't get the option I wanted, and now I'm doing YouTube full time from July 23rd, I guess. And as you can see, the growth has been tremendous because I've been working day and night to get content for you guys every day, and I'm not slacking behind. I was like upload. I missed 2 to 3 days, I know, and the channel has grown tremendously from the day when I left the college, from 2,300 subscribers back then. I recently purchased my Galaxy S7 Edge, and now it's 5,500, and my milestone by the time this year ends is to get 2 million views and 6,000 subscribers, which would be very easy by now by the growth of this channel, but still it's a very great achievement for me.
What upgrades will you do?
Now I don't know what you are asking, what upgrades to the channel. And in regards to the channel, I want to do more collaboration, but as you know, this is also my friend. We live in a very small city. It's very hard to get samples or like review units, and it's very hard to get unboxing like phones, cause the 2 phones which are reviewed, the Vivo V5 and the J Prime, it was very lucky of me to getting them because the dealer I have been talking since I was like 8 to 5 years. I purchased the first phone from him, my mother's phone, which is Stardios. I have all the boxes in over here. I will show you sometime in the vlog. So he he knows me very closely, and so he gives me basically phones. He has very good trust on me. Basically build your trust. And those who are saying like YouTube will be dead, like who like watches a Leafy videos or Carry-Minati, YouTube is not dead. YouTube cares about its like content creators. Vine is dead because Vine didn't monetize their platforms. All the Vines you saw, they were just created free, and the ones like King Batch ones and the greater YouTubers or now YouTubers, earlier Viners, they were paid by the third parties. If you saw a grape wine or grape soda, those were the guys paying them. and basically the platform was not monetizable, and also they didn't care about their content creators. YouTube cares about, YouTube has its own space, you can basically eat there for free, and now I have 5,000 subscribers. I can basically use their what is it, sets, cameras and everything, but YouTube space is very far away. It's basically at my sister's place, within few minutes of there, so I live there. I will really visit YouTube space definitely. It's my dream to visit over there and use some stuff over there.
Hey, can you feature Abhishek Rai in your next video and let him say like this video and subscribe?
And this is also my friend. He's also one of the like nerdy kid I had ever in my class, and he also scored like 92 or 94 in ACC. I don't really remember. And if you know the guy who is like asking for Abhishek Rai is a very shy guy. He doesn't even have his like own phone or like PC. I don't know whether I can get him or not, but I will try to get him in a vlog to say like, share or subscribe. But it would be very hard. You know Abhishek Rai. Are you buying 7 Plus or are you buying 7 Plus for real? Please buy a Note 5 rather than that shit. So if you don't know, I'm not buying a 7 Plus with my own money. I have to pull up a deal for my uncle, and he would buy. If the deal gets successful, he is a very big architect. He would buy me anything from a store. So it's not from online like a OnePlus 3. And I'm basically buying a OnePlus 3T with my own money. I don't know when it will come to India, but I don't know, cause I just saw the Vivo V5 video. The camera quality was not that good. Everything was shot with my Galaxy S7. I want to get a better camera, so I'm opting for a Canon 1300D. Many of you guys told me it's a very good camera. Some of you guys send me their pictures. Many of you guys have it, which is a good thing. It's a very good camera, so I will be buying that on 25th of December, basically the Christmas. I don't know, so I'm going for the 7 Plus cause it's a great thing, and even if he doesn't give me, I can buy it with a great EMI from him. Pay small amounts but still get a flagship, cause I bought iOS device. I like exploring various softwares, so it would be great thing to get a 7 Plus, and Note 5 will get it in the future. And the most asked question, both guys are asking me, yo, out of the box question, but do you have a girlfriend? Also, do you have a girlfriend? And I will be very scared because my mom watches my videos, but I don't have a girlfriend. I was never in a relationship because I never gave someone a respect rather than myself, not even my mom or anyone. I was never, because I never felt like falling in love with someone. I had a crush. I still talk to her, but not that much, because she was like my exam partner, which is a weird thing, for 9th and 10th both. And I still talk to her, but not that much. She has moved to a bigger city for studies. I'm still here in this small city creating YouTube videos. And the weird part, my sister had like a mental breakdown, so we went to a therapist, and she said basically about me that many girls are attracted to me, and my mother is slamming with the questions, do you have a girlfriend? But she knows, and if I do have a girlfriend, she would be very not like unhappy with me. Like, I'm still 15, I can take my own care, I make my own money, and I can buy things which are like to fulfill my dreams and needs, like the small things like gas money, phones, watches, like everything. So she wouldn't care, but still I'm in though, and I'm not attracted to girls like in this age, because I want to focus on YouTube. So I ditch all my friends. I only have one friend right now, and this the guy who asked me. Yes, the guy underwater. These are the only 2 friends I have right now, and I'm seriously focusing on YouTube. I want to get YouTube as a career and expand it. So guys, that's pretty much it for this Q&A, and my nose is still swelling. And be sure to check out this week's vlog and Vivo V5's full in-depth review. I covered basically everything: the speed, the build quality, the camera. And again, thanks for watching. Peace.